place of worship. Founded in 1895, the St. Isidore the Farmer Parish Church, located at the heart of Tubao, the town serves as the source of faith and is the binding instrument among the Tubaoeñans. Moreover, the Lourdes Grotto in Amalapay caters to the spiritual needs of the religious people of Tubao in nearby places. As soon as you step on its facade, you feel calm and relieved. To see the beauty of town, experience using the alternate road to the City of Pines, Baguio City, through the Anduyan Rizal Bridge. It makes one's journey more comfortable as it is a shorter route for its travelers. Why don't you come and see what Dalangay Falls can offer, a hidden wealth undiscovered by many people from near and far who enjoy adventures and relaxation. Going down from there, you'll see the Masalip Dam, which supplies irrigations to rice fields of Tubao and its neighboring towns nearby, increasing their farm production. Tubao is also known as the home of native tobacco, the main source of livelihood among the people in the past, today, and tomorrow. Now let's have a tour and see for ourselves the hectares of corn plantation in Tubao that contribute to improving the economy. Hence, Tubao is known for its Mais Festival. From this, the raw products of Halog West, Tubao La Union, and other barangays of the crispy and tasty chicharon and exported to other countries of the world. Tikman ng Maibigan, one of the best cooperatives entire the Philippines is Tubao Multi-Purpose Cooperative. This is a multi-million cooperative extending financial assistance to its members. Tara na, sumali na upang mga problema ay malutas. The seat of government, the Municipal Hall of Tubao, houses the executive and legislative bodies who perform their functions, duties, and responsibilities with the intentions of putting the municipality of Tubao in the limelight. Abante! Tubao!